You open it up, bracing yourself for the onslaught. A barrage of unread emails, promotional offers, and forgotten social media notifications. It's enough to make anyone surrender. For a while, Newton Mail promised to be the hero in this ongoing battle. A sleek, innovative email client with features like read receipts, powerful snoozing, and a unified inbox, it offered a glimmer of hope for inbox domination. But hold on. Before you dust off your Newton Mail password, there are a few crucial things to consider. Is Newton Mail still safe to use? And more importantly, if you already signed up, can you even escape its clutches? Cancel your subscription? Let's dive deep and answer both these burning questions. Is Newton Mail safe, and how do you cancel your subscription, if you even need to? The rise and fall of Newton Mail. Newton Mail. Launched in 2016 with a wave of hype, it quickly garnered a loyal following. Their features were truly innovative: threaded conversations, a unified inbox that brought all your accounts together, and the ability to snooze emails like you would an alarm, were a game-changer for many. But here's the thing. Remember that shiny new car you lusted after? The one with all the bells and whistles? Sometimes, bells and whistles come at a cost. In Newton Mail's case, the cost was its own survival. So, is Newton Mail safe? Here's the not-so-great news. Newton Mail officially shut down in 2022. Their website is gone, and development on the app has ceased. This, by itself, doesn't necessarily mean your data is unsafe. However, a service without ongoing maintenance and security updates is inherently riskier. Think of it like this: imagine your house has a top-of-the-line security system. But if you never update the software or change the passwords, sooner or later, it becomes vulnerable. That's the situation with Newton Mail. While there haven't been any reported security breaches yet, the lack of updates means it's a ticking time bomb. Moving on, how to cancel your Newton Mail subscription, even if you think you did. Alright, so you used Newton Mail back in the day and maybe, just maybe, you didn't quite get around to canceling that subscription. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Here's the thing: canceling your subscription depends on how you signed up. If you subscribed through the Newton Mail website and paid with a credit card, there's a chance you can still cancel through their old control panel. Head over to a web archive of Newton Mail Control Panel and try logging in with your Newton Mail email. Remember, this might not work, but it's worth a shot. If you signed up through the Apple App Store, you'll need to cancel through your Apple ID settings. Here's a quick tip: search online for how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone and you'll find easy-to-follow instructions. The same goes for subscriptions made through the Google Play Store. A quick web search for Cancel Google Play Subscriptions will get you there. The final email. Newton Mail's story is a cautionary tale. While it offered a glimpse of a more organized email future, its demise highlights the importance of considering a service's long-term viability before handing over your data. But fear not, warriors of the inbox. There are plenty of fantastic email clients out there that are secure, innovative, and will help you tame the digital beast. Do your research, find one that suits your needs, and take back control of your inbox. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.